Hello everybody, at last I decided to revive this my channel, to renew this my blog and to return to my English language too, because believe me, since last year when I created this channel and shared two my first videos, I didn't return to my English training almost at all. Why almost? Just because sometimes I try to translate something, I try to watch English videos, and I have even tried to make some videos for this channel, for this blog. I recorded them. Recorded? Yes. But then I had no time to redact them, to redact or redact? To redact them, and I removed them, or I forgot them in in the memory of my computer, and they didn't really my language in usual life, and I have even made two orders on my job which were connected with English redacting videos. But it is not enough to have a normal and rather достаточный, I don't know, I'll write, a training of the language, and I do understand that without usage in speech in this language, in any language, and without the most important and the most important, that without usage to think in the language, I will never have normal level of any language I learn. And as far as I have no communication in my usual life in English, I decided to renew this channel and to communicate with you. So now you can see that my level is too low. It is like a child one, because I have no communication since my student years, it is different things to write in the language and to speak in it, now I need to have a real speech, and I hope to have it with you here in this my channel. And now as you see, and as you will see surely, and as I do understand now about myself, that I will make a lot of mistakes, a lot of stupid mistakes, and you can hate me, you can laugh on me, you can joke and even throw to your displays eggs, tomatoes, and even dirty socks, anything you like and anything you want, but be sure I will not receive anything of it, and you will just destroy you with your hate if you will find my English too bad and me too foolish, stupid, and etc. in this way. And I'm sure that I'll find a lot and a rather great number of kind people, of friendly people, which will understand my mind, my training, and which will understand my wishes, my will to know language and to train language, and which will understand me, and I will be thankful to you if you will write my mistakes, correct my mistakes, and write correct correct ways of my correct my mistakes, and right ways of my phrases or words of usage of different words of my incorrectly used words in comments, and it will be it will help me, and it will be useful for me. And now I just wanted to say that I will be happy to see you here, and I'll be glad to find some virtual friends, some people which will understand me and which will be interested in me, in my channel, in my blog, and in my stories, which I will tell you in a time. So welcome, see you next time, and bye bye.